Okay, so we have an animation here, Control Enter, and we want to actually export this as a movie or as well as a SWF. And so we press Control plus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom out, and say you have some kind of animation. I'm just gonna right-click the canvas using the selection tool, choose Document Properties. I want to create a black kind of intro video, so there's a black background. Change the frames per second to roughly the same of your video, so 30 frames per second is pretty standard. Video quality, I'm just going to use the same size as the typical high def, 1280 by 720, not quite total high def, but good enough for our purposes. And I'm going to highlight the whole section here. Going to move everything over all together so it's nice and centered in the video. Just pay attention to the actual text. And that looks pretty good here. And when I press Control Enter, my video looks pretty good. This is the video I want. And let's go to, well, we can save it, File, Export. And when you go Export Movie, this is what we want. We'll just export as a MOV file, a video file, but think about the possibilities. QuickTime MOV is a pretty universal format that works very well with other video editing software. So the idea of creating animations within Flash can be mixed in with, Premiere Pro or After Effects and all these other videos of choice. The idea of you can use whatever tool is best for the purpose, or whatever tools you're the most experienced with. The end result, people don't really care. The standard SWF file is the animation that Flash creates. It's a SWF file is the standard. However, notice how we can choose what we want to do. And I think that if we export as a MOV file, let's export it to the desktop. And just click on OK, export. It's going to take a while, but eventually it's going to be there on our desktop. So congratulations, you now know how to actually get this file, and now you can just go to File, Import in any other video editing software.